As you can see here in this Defender, we have a lot of wires running down to the door and through the back. We want to clean this up to have a better look, so we created our wire hide panel. For the installation of your front wire hide panel, you remove the lock nut from the bolt that comes through your roof that mounts the rails to the top of the roof. You'll place the bracket into place. And you'll use the bracket as a template to show you where to drill your hole and install your rib nut. Another great thing about this wire hide panel is the slots, which will allow for maximum adjustment to pull it up to the roll cage depending on how much wire you're running behind it. Once you have your bolt tightened in your rib nut in the front and your bolt coming through your rail tightened in the rear, you're ready to go and hit the trail. If you have a crew model Defender in our F-Series roof and you want to hide some wires, we have a rear wire hide panel as well. This one, the installation is even easier. You just remove the lock nuts that mount the rail down through the roof. No drilling or rib nuts required. Install the wire hide panel up against the base of the roof, and then return your lock nuts and tighten them and you're good to go. If you're interested in hiding your wires and cleaning up your routing, check these panels out on thumperfab.com.